Yo, what's good guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to make money on a low volume market. This market has been garbage, has been very slow, nothing runs, not nothing but almost nothing. I mean, it's so hard to make money in this market, to be honest. And most people are leaving, right? So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make money. It's gonna be hard for sure, but there's still opportunities, right? So first of all, you actually need to start trading differently, right? You never want to touch new pairs. You're just gonna lose all your money. Like, you don't want to touch that. You only want to touch final stretch and maybe migrated. Although, yeah, it's even migrated is not that good, to be honest. So we go into the final stretch now. What you need to do is actually trade based on communities. This is a different type of play. You can try, obviously, like I've said many times, you can try news trading. So I mean, crypto based news trading, right? But yeah, I don't think like you need to catch a very good runner, to be honest, which is gonna be very hard to do. Like, you need to sit here all day and then like it is what it is. Like, there's no point doing that. Not there is no point, but it's kind of hard, to be honest. So we're changing up the strategy a little bit. So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna show the filters, because we changed the strategy a little bit, and with the filters also. On new pairs you can do I have it 2 minutes minimum, like max age. There's no point having it more. And then on metrics, 1.5k volume, 5% bonding curve, and 0.3%, 0.3 global fees paid. And then on social you can do at least one social. Then final stretch, now what you need to do is actually put it on 30 minutes max, because you want to be in because you want to trade coins based on communities, right? So top 10 holders, 30%. And then I have metrics, 4k volume, 100k max market cap, and then 15% bonding curve, and then 0.5 fees paid in sol, and then at least one social. And then on migrated, 3 hours max. You can do it less, I don't know, like, you do you. And then on metrics you can do 20k volume, 50k market cap, and then 5 global fees paid, and at least one social. Hit apply, and then yeah, what I said, you need to go in based on communities, right? You need to find active communities. Wait, I really hope I didn't get a virus from that. You need to find active communities, which I don't see. Oh wait, I see this one. Yeah, this is a perfect example, honestly. Let me see. A lot of communities will try to pump out their coins. They even bought decks, so they actually won't try to pump it. So if you find an early community, like this one for example, let me see. Quantcoin. This is a funny coin, this is a fine community. Like, you need to work for your bucks, right? You need to join the community and start pumping and pumping and pumping. You need to see, like, if they have people inside, Dex paid, like this guy paid Dex, for example. You need to find communities like that and then be early on, right? If you find a good narrative of a community and then you're early on, for example, you buy here around, maybe you can scalp a 2x or something. Or even in dips like that, you can buy, like, when you see a lot of people going in, like, probably is not gonna, like, this is a floor, right? This is actually a floor. So yeah, you can scalp it a little bit for sure. Yeah, it's a quick 60%. Yeah, almost. Like, it's even better, like, if you hold a lot, but there's no point holding, to be honest, in this market. Like, if you hold, you're probably gonna lose, right? So yeah, you can find communities like that, and then I think you're pretty fine, right? They have to be a community on X, because they have to do it. If they don't have the X, it's not worth it at all, even if they're a community, like, but you only need to find communities that have the Twitter com, right? I hope you guys understand what I mean. Like this thing, Twitter comp. Yeah, like it's even better if they pay decks. Like you can scalp a little bit, of course, but you never want to hold, right? Even if it goes 10x from your entry, like you never want to hold. It's way too risky. So yeah, this is pretty much what you need to do. Like obviously, again, you can still trade based on news, and it's probably like if you have money to play with, trading based on news is way more profitable, right? But I think right now how the market is, I think it's way better if you trade based on communities. You can scalp maybe a 30% or a 40%. You can scalp a little bit, honestly. And a lot of communities actually try to pump it, like for real. They try to pump it, as you can see. They try to migrate it, and a lot of do. So you need to be patient, obviously, because it's a slow play, right? It's a slow play. This is a perfect example again. Another community. Let me check. It has 2 members right now. It got created right now. It's called Zoomer. It's a fine narrative. Like if you find this community, like if you buy around here, it's a cool play. Like it's 50%. If you buy around here, like always, at first it's gonna be a dip. Then you buy in, if it's a community, and then you can scalp a little bit. Even if they bundle it, you're just gonna make some money, right? It's not that hard, to be honest. Maybe it goes, maybe it doesn't. Based on my experience, a lot of communities actually try to push it. They even have the website, the Know Your Meme website linked. It's not that bad, honestly. Added 6 years ago, what? That's insane. Like, look. Even if you bought here, where I showed you the coin, it's free 50%, right? It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Yeah, so yeah, this is pretty much the video. This is the strategy you need to adapt when you're in market conditions like that. $150, the price of Sol. Like if it drops a lot, you're just gonna like accumulate more, right? Eventually Sol is gonna go back up. So you just get more Sol and then like, hold it till infinity, I don't know. Till it goes $300 and then you are rich as fuck. So yeah, this is the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching and peace. Keep safe.